Alright, I'd like to show you something that I came up with. It's a false cut. I call it the Hummingbird cut, and it's a variation of the butterfly, and I came up with this many years ago. And it's nice because it's a full deck false cut, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is the Hummingbird cut. Okay. Looks just identical to the butterfly, with the exception it retains your full deck order. And what's really nice about this is that a regular butterfly cut, if you didn't know it, it doesn't keep the full deck in order. And this one does, and I'm going to show you how it works. What you're going to do is you're going to have a slight get ready, and that is you're going to have secretly obtain a ring finger break. All you do is digging your left ring finger into about a quarter or so of the packet. So that is just done, as you're talking before you're ready to go into it. Now what you're going to do is curl your left first finger on the back of the deck. Your thumb's going to riffle down. Now when you riffle down, it looks like you're going to roll this packet over, but this is a nice illusion, which you could also use this as a force. And I'll show you how in another video, or I can explain it as I go, and you'll see how it works. It's really neat. Your left thumb, like I said, it riffles. Now you're not going to be like this where they can see it. You're going to be canted, turn to the side a little bit, so you're not really necktying the deck, but you're blocking the view. You're blocking here. But what's happening from an exposed angle, okay, so you riffle down, you stop about here. It's going to look like you're just rolling the packet off, but actually it's coming out of the middle. Okay, like that. So this is how you retain the order. Now you're going to, I usually cross my hands just for a nice effect, you're going to do 2 charlet cuts. Okay. Now as you close the cuts, what you're going to do is you're going to catch your pinkies and pinky breaks like that. Then it goes, right packet goes down first, okay, right, left, and the packet's in between your fingers. You're going to pivot this around. Left packet down, right packet down. So right, left, left, right. And that will retain the whole deck in new deck order, as you can see. So that's what makes this so good. It's called the Hummingbird cut. Enjoy it.